guys, welcome to my channel. Today I just got home from work, straight from work, so I'm pretty early today. It's only 11:48 in the noontime, morning. Anyway, yesterday Winnie, Nina, and I went to Folsom Outlet, and I went to the makeup company, the makeup company or something, and I was able to get a hold of myself with the Whitney Houston collection, which they launched last year. I know my collection is not complete. I'm still gonna go online and search where I could get the rest, because I'm liking two other lipstick, and I think they have another palette. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna Google that and try to get my hands on them because I love Whitney Houston a lot. Excuse the sore, the change of weather, it's cold, and excuse my look because I've been working for 8 hours, so I just basically just got from work. I decided to film before I take a bath. I'm not wearing anything. This is how I look like every day when I go to work. So anyway, my first item is the Whitney Houston MAC by MAC. This is all by MAC. Whitney Nippy's Iconic Palette. That's what it says. Because I've seen YouTube earlier about this product, and I know they have another palette, and I'm gonna look for that. This is the Whitney Nippy Iconic Palette, and this is the packaging is very glamorous like Whitney. It reminds me of she's wearing something like this on her video. I don't know if she's wearing it or it's in the background, but something like that. And this is how it looks like. I'm not really into the shades. I don't know what look I can. I'm gonna try to copy her makeup on. It's not right, but it's okay because it's a little something like those. I'm just gonna mix a green eyeliner to make it more greenish because I know on her video it's a little greenish. But the lipstick I got, I'm gonna check if that will work with that look. So anyway, this is the Iconic palette. I cannot wait to try it. This is by MAC. And anyway, everything that I'm gonna show you, the retail price for this is almost $300. But I got it all for $116 including the tax. That $300 is not even including the tax. So the next item is the Whitney Houston Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Just Whitney. I miss her so much. I miss her a lot, so I decided to get her. I'm gonna do a separate makeup using all of this. Because I got the blush, I got the highlight, I got the lipstick. So basically, when I start the video, I already have MAC foundation and whatever. So, next item is the Whitney Houston lipstick in the shade Nippy Sensual Red. And I don't know if it's matte or cream, I'm not sure. But that's how it looks like. And that's the shade. Ooh, nice. Ooh, I might get away with the it's not right, but it's okay makeup look. And I got the blush in the shade Nippy's Pink Rose. Is that her nickname, Nippy? That's how it looks like. Very wearable. I really love it. I cannot wait to try it. I still have 4 items to show you, but this is the last one from the Whitney collection that I have. This is the Nippy's Plum Rose. This one I love the shade a lot. It's really perfect for fall. It's perfect for any occasion, but I really love this one. It's a little dark purple. It looks light on the cam, but it's really dark berry color. It looks like a grapes. When the grapes is a reddish purple, something like that. And then next one I got is this MAC Powder Kiss Velvet Blush. Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick. I'm looking for a makeup tube like this, but this is the only thing available. This is the soy, not soy. And this is how it looks like. I really love this shade. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And I love the scent of MAC lipstick. And the next one is not from MAC, but from Too Faced. This is the Melted Matte Lipstick. I got one for my friend Nina. She chose another shade, but the shade I got is called Making Moves. It's nude, but not too pink. She got the very, very pink one. And I'm not into very, very pink one. So, yeah. And then I got my hand on this Too Faced Cosmic Crush palette. I don't really like it, but I have a coupon there, the $10 off, but you have to reach $100 to be able to get it. That's why I decided to get this one, because I'm not liking anything anymore. So it's still not enough. So I asked my friend Nina to get another lipstick for herself. And still, I was able to save a lot because this one are on sale. Plus the $10 off coupon. So this is how it looks like. It's not really attractive, you know, when you look at it. It's like, okay. And, you know, but if you look closer, I think you can get a lot of look using this one. I just don't like this shade. But who knows? It might be usable. There are both shimmers and matte ones, and I cannot wait to try it. Anyway, I'm gonna take a bath now, and I'm gonna do a video next week when I get all my package. I decided to do that video because I'm not sure if it's this week or next week. I'm gonna be receiving the remaining haul I got from Ulta and my new order from Sephora. So stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna try to do a makeup look using this one. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I'll see you again next time, and ciao, bye.